In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enrich data automatically in Attio. If you want your CRM records to become more useful without doing all the research manually, data enrichment can really help. In simple terms, data enrichment means automatically adding missing details to your records, like company information or contact insights, using a connected data source. This saves time, reduces manual entry, and helps keep your workspace more complete and actionable. To get started, open Attio and go to the home area of your workspace. From here, head into Workspace settings. Before you connect anything, make sure you already have your Workspace access token available, because you'll need to paste it in during the setup process. Inside Workspace settings, look for Developers and click into it. This is where Attio gives you access to developer tools and tokens that can be used to securely connect your workspace with supported apps and services. Once you're in the Developers section, copy the access token for your workspace. Keep it somewhere safe for the next step, and be careful not to share it publicly, since it acts like a secure credential for the connection. After that, return to Attio and go to your account settings. In the Account Settings menu, click on Apps. This is where you can browse and manage integrations that extend what Attio can do. Now search for Apollo Enrichment and open it. Apollo Enrichment is a tool that helps automatically supplement your records with additional business and contact data. In practice, it works by linking Attio with Apollo so your workspace can pull in enrichment details instead of requiring you to update everything by hand. Once you're on the Apollo Enrichment page, click Install. Then click Confirm to approve the installation. After the app is installed, you'll be taken to the connection area, where you can link your workspace to the enrichment app. Click Connect to begin creating the connection. When prompted, paste the workspace access token you copied earlier. Double-check that the full token is pasted correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Finally, click Add Connection. This step completes the link between your Attio workspace and the Apollo Enrichment app. Once the connection is added, Attio can use that integration to support automatic enrichment, making it easier to maintain cleaner, more informative records over time. And that's it. You've now set up automatic data enrichment in Attio. If this helped, subscribe for more.